Hello and welcome to Amigo School. I'm Daniel and today I'm going to teach you the foundations about learning Spanish. This video is for you if you are just starting from scratch and you know nothing about learning Spanish. Today we will bring greetings and goodbyes. So let's begin. Hola. Be careful with this word, because many new students, when they see the letter H inside the word hola, they tend to say hola. But in Spanish, in most of the cases, the letter H is a phantom word, so it has no sound at all. Just hola. Buenos días. Buenos días. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. You can say buenas tardes from 12 in the afternoon until 7 p.m. in the evening. And then buenas noches. You can say it from 7 p.m. onwards. Buenas noches. Be careful, because buenas noches is not exactly translated as good night in English. Because normally in English we say good night almost only before we go to sleep. But in Spain this is not really. We're gonna say buenas tardes only until 7 p.m. It would be good evening. But from 7 p.m. onwards it's always buenas noches. Doesn't matter the situation. For example, if you are meeting for a dinner, you have a date for a dinner at 9 p.m. for example, in English you would say good evening, right? Because you don't go to sleep yet. You're just going to have dinner. But in Spanish, doesn't matter if you are going to have dinner or to sleep or to do whatever else. If it's already dark outside, so it depends also in the country, it depends on the season of the year. Maybe from 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. is already night, or maybe earlier, I don't know, but normally when you see the sky and it's already dark, then it's noches. Doesn't matter if you're going to dinner or to sleep or whatever. ¿Qué tal? How are you or how are you doing? ¿Qué tal? But you can also say ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Or ¿Cómo va? ¿Cómo va? ¿Cómo va tu día? ¿Cómo va tu día? Bien, gracias. Bien, gracias. Todo bien. Todo bien. ¿Y tú? ¿Y tú? Yo también bien. Gracias. Yo también bien. Gracias. Adiós. Adiós. Hasta la vista. Hasta la vista. Hasta pronto. Hasta pronto. Hasta luego. Hasta luego. These sentences can be translated as see you later or see you soon. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. Well, I think that was a lot of new information for today. I suggest you to see these videos a couple of times so you can repeat and you can practice the new words that you are learning. You can also give us a thumbs up and give in a comment if you want to ask something or just for support. And to follow this channel, activate the notifications so YouTube will remind you every time we are posting a new video. And if you want to keep learning Spanish more deeply, I invite you to visit our website iamigoschool.com and you can take our free trial course there. Hasta la vista!